Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Now in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a program that I have developed called CrawlRhino SEO Crawler. It's currently in beta and I've been working on it for a few months now, and this is what it looks like. So in this video we're going to be using CrawlRhino to find broken links on your website. Now the reason you want to find these broken links is because broken links can cause SEO problems, making your website not rank so well on Google or Bing or any other search engine. It can also affect the usability of your website. Now if you've got someone on your website and they're clicking on links and it's going to broken pages, pages not found, or whatever error it is on your site, this is going to make people bounce and leave your website. Google or whoever's going to see that people just keep bouncing off your website, they're then either going to put that page that the user went onto further down on the results, or they're just simply going to de-index that page. And this can affect your website overall. So we don't want that. So we need to use a program like CrawlRhino SEO Crawler to try and figure out what pages are broken on our website. Now you can also look on Google Analytics or something like that as well to see what links are broken, but CrawlRhino is a very quick, easy way to do this, and it's free to download. The link is in the description below. Now the first thing that we need to do before anything is get your website URL. Now I'm going to scan computersluggish.com. You can see my website URL is there. I've copied that and I'm now going to go to CrawlRhino, and we're now looking for the option that says broken links. This is on the dashboard tab and you can see broken links there. You just need to click onto this. The next thing we're going to do is click in this box at the top here and select all that text and go Control-V to paste in your URL. You're then going to want to click on Start. Now this is going to begin to crawl your website and find any broken links. It will also detect redirects as well. So straight away you can see we've already got one result there which is broken, but we can actually ignore that result because that's a part of WordPress itself. But if we scroll down further, we can see that we got a few redirects here, which again, they're perfectly normal redirects when it comes to WordPress. We are actually looking for broken. Now you can see we've actually got a 404 here, broken URL. So this is saying it's computersluggish.com/Windows 10. What I'm now going to want to do is go back to my website, and I now need to type in that path. I'm just going to type in Windows 10 at the end of Computer Sluggish and hit enter. And you can see there we've got an oops, that page can't be found. So that's really bad because that does mean that I've got a broken link on my website. And that also means that I've got other posts or somewhere else on my site linking to this page, which I don't want because that's obviously really bad. So I now have two options. I can either recreate this page, or I can figure out why the page isn't shown in the first place. Perhaps I've accidentally clicked to unlist it or make it private and hidden. But either way, I need to make sure that /Windows 10 on my Computer Sluggish website goes somewhere, even if I just redirect it back to my home page, because Google and users that are using my site are not going to like this. Now if we go back to CrawlRhino, we can simply go further down and just scan to make sure there's no other broken links. You can also click on the filters at the top here, but I'm just going to scroll through the list because I like to just have a little nose. So we've got another broken one there, but we've already seen that one. That one is fine. If we go further down, it's all just redirects and just OKs, which is all good. So as you can see, the full broken links explorer within CrawlRhino is a very handy tool to use. It scans your site, it detects broken links, and yeah, this is something that everyone should be doing when it comes to making sure their website is fully optimized and good for SEO. You don't need to use CrawlRhino. There are other broken link checkers and stuff out there on the internet and that you can use on Windows. But because this is my program, this is the one that I wanted to show off in this video. Now I hope this video did help you out and you enjoyed it. If you do want to see more SEO videos and things like that, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also like this video if it helped. That's it for now. I will see you in the next one.